Welcome to our 11 Labs Workshop Lesson 8. Now for this project, we are going to choose our professionally cloned voice. So we're going to go to this area. We are then going to click on the choice that we have for our professionally cloned voice. What you will notice is that the model changes as well as the controls that we have. It's a good idea to make sure that you have the recommended model. We're going to click on this area and we are using the recommended model. So what we'll now do is we will now generate speech.
In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. Strategic application of frameworks.
Now there are two issues with this voiceover. You'll notice the degrading of the audio over time. You'll also notice that the AI didn't quite read our script in the way that we would want it to be read. So it's a good idea to use a voice that will be consistent throughout your audio narration. And we will undertake correcting this in the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.